The environment is the key to our connection. This rap will help us move and groove in the green direction. A is for the air, to show how much we care. Let's all do our share and not pollute the air. Letter B is bio, and bio means life. Balance in life brings less strife. Letter C, where people live, is called a community. Care for your community creates more unity. D, the fourth letter, indicates deforestation. Trees are the pride and joy of every nation. The environment is the key to our connection. This rap will help us move and groove in the green direction. Can we guarantee environmental protection? Or will the earth become a giant garbage collection? E is the environment, air, water, land. Human-made catastrophes are getting out of hand. F is fair trade, which shows how much we care. All workers should receive wages which are fair. Letter G is green. Let's keep the planet clean. Not polluting the air and water makes the earth green. Letter H is health. Healthcare is humane. Regular physical exercise benefits the brain. The environment is the key to our connection. This rap will help us move and groove in the green direction. If you were elected president in the upcoming election, how would you put an end to environmental misdirection? I is for ideas that lead to innovation. An intelligent impact begins with conversation. J stands for justice, equality for all, heedless of race, culture, schooling, wealth, be it large or small. K is for our kids whose future is unsure. Can they heal the planet? Will they find the cure? Love, life, and local begin with letter L. Literacy and learning help us to live well. The environment is the key to our connection. This rap will help us move and groove in the green direction. Nature affects everyone, regardless of complexion. We can all help the earth recover her perfection. Letter M represents mind over matter. Action is much better than mindless chatter. Letter N is next. N denotes nature. Her rights should be protected by legislature. Letter O is for those who opt for organic. Help protect the ozone by eating more botanic. P is for a peaceful planet free from pollution. Ending poverty is the first step to the solution. The environment is the key to our connection. This rap will help us move and groove in the green direction. Does it matter if the earth fades into imperfection? If something harms the planet, should we raise an objection? Q, quality of life directly affects our health. Our quest can be achieved without a lot of wealth. Recycling is a responsible way to reuse resources. In order to restore our planet, why not all join forces? Letter S stands for safe, sound, and sustainable. Is an energy-saving scheme sensible and attainable? T means together. We keep a tidy town. A toxin-free environment will not tie you down. The environment is the key to our connection. This rap will help us move and groove in the green direction. To eradicate environmental infection, Mother Nature needs and deserves our affection. Cleaning up the mess we've made is up to you and me. The UN and UNESCO would undoubtedly agree. Both vegan and vegetarian start with letter V. Void of animal products, animals would be free. Water, wildlife, waste prevention all concern the wise. Without access to clean water, a whole village dies. Xenophobia is being afraid of strangers. They too could help prevent environmental dangers. The environment is the key to our connection. This rap will help us move and groove in the green direction. This rap will help us to develop self-reflection, to nurture our earth and repair the disconnection. Yang is busy and active, Yin is cool and chill. The youth of tomorrow must pay yesterday's bill. Z is for those products with zero emission, because they do not worsen Earth's climate condition. The environment is the key to our connection. This rap will help us move and groove in the green direction. The environment is the key to our connection. This rap will help us move and groove in the green direction. The environment. The environment.